Hi, I'm Mark Chahwan, co-founder and CEO of Sarwa. We're the first online financial advisor in the Middle East. I studied and grew up in Canada. I studied finance at McGill University and then started my career in finance where I worked in a pension fund, at an investment bank, and switched over to Accenture to do management consulting. What inspired my founders and me to start Sarwa was really our friends that were based in Dubai and in the region. All of that was at the expense of their own personal finances. So a lot of them were either too busy to manage their finances, didn't have the know-how, or found it very complicated and intimidating to get started. We saw that a lot of people weren't getting the right advice or paying too much for advice or to manage their money. And this is where we believed that founding Sarwa would be as much of a financial company as a technology company. And combining both would allow them to have a nice user experience, keep their costs extremely low. Sarwa means wealth in Arabic, and we kept it pretty simple to stick to our value proposition. We set up in the DIFC in 2017. 2 years later, we're still here. And what's really exciting is that even the fintech hive within the DIFC is a startup on its own. They're constantly trying to promote their startups, putting the word out there about fintech. For us, that's really encouraging to want to grow alongside the DIFC fintech hive. Their support has been phenomenal, for example, in PR. They've been really helping us. We joined the fintech hive in the summer of 2017. That was a smooth transition into Dubai. There was a lot of mentorship sessions with a lot of banks, regulators, and other startups. That really helped us learn very quickly about the market. At that point, we were 2 people. We were working on getting the license, getting our product out there, and understanding our clients better. We successfully got the first fintech license in the DIFC. We raised a small amount of capital to get started and hire, a few friends that were as passionate about this as we were. We were able to hire some of our friends that were developers, marketers, to really understand this market better and develop our technology. Our team is really reflective of Dubai. We have people that are from here as well as people that we brought in from all over the world. Our financial advisors are from the US and the UK. They worked at firms such as UBS, Merrill Lynch, and for them they didn't believe that fintech was so new here, so they wanted to be part of the wave of democratizing investing. Setting up in the DIFC was quite a story. So we had a lot of people that were helping us kind of combat bureaucracy or the traditional way of setting up a company. We had a lot of support in bridging all these things to get up and running and focus on launching the business rather than on the administrative things. The DIFC is instrumental in many ways, whether it's fundraising, whether it's hiring top talent, getting to market very quickly, and also hosting our clients that love to come to the DIFC. A lot of people perceive the DIFC as a very credible, fun place to hang out with, sometimes even after work for drinks, for coffee, for dinner. So when we invite clients, when we host events at our office, they're often very, very popular because people like coming here. Our goal is to democratize investing and make it very easy for people to invest in a smarter and better way. When we moved to Dubai in 2017, there was a lot of hype, and there still is actually, around fintech and the revolution there. That allowed us to get investors on board, and we raised more than $1 million up to date just because we were able to showcase the problem, build out the team, get the right license to do what we're doing. And yeah, we're very lucky to have investors such as Shuruk Investments, MEVP, 500 Startups, and many more that are from the region and from San Francisco. We're working on building the first fintech unicorn out of the DIFC. So we want the DIFC to be the hub for our team and the team that's solving to make investing easier and more transparent and smarter. DIFC isn't that old as a financial institution, and I think that speaks to the way trust is being reinvented by innovating, by having a lot of transparency, a lot of experimentation. The DIFC is constantly trying new things out and doesn't just host your typical financial institutions. It's as much of a place for restaurants, for startups, for art nights. So it's constantly changing the way we trust each other, we trust companies by really bringing and building a community.